Here is our project Rentego, a car rental management platform. Rentego.ahsnexus.com. This one is the URL to access Rentego. First of all, when you search this link, then you will get the login page of the Rentego. Here is the demo credentials. I just put here in the fields email and password. Then I'm going to log in it. Here is the dashboard main page, which will show you your live KPIs, cash flow, and operational signals. Here are total cars on rent, available maintenance, then monthly revenue, net profit, fleet purchase value, then total depreciation, then current fleet value. The currency will show you according to your selected country. Like here I selected Dubai, so that's why it's showing AED. Here are active cars, returned cars, complete cars, invoices, pending balance means pending payments. Here is all the customers in the system, monthly expenses, expenses of the office, expenses of the cars. Then here is the revenue and expenses flow, and this one is also the chart of active and returned bookings. Then upcoming returns means the returns which are coming in next coming days. Here are the vehicles registration expiries and large pending balances. Here is the recent booking sections, recent invoices, recent expenses, recent payments. So this one is the overall dashboard. Then the next one is the cars. In the cars section, here are the list of cars which I added, which this demo company is currently added. Here is the button to add a new car. In this form, here are three options in the ownership: company owned, the first one is, the second one is partner, the third one is borrowed, means borrowed from some other person or borrowed from some other office. Here are the owners, means from which owner we borrow this car. Then car name, registration, make, model, variant, each and everything we will add, include its depreciation amount if you want. Here is the daily rent, here is the weekly rent and monthly rent. We will add these amounts, and while any booking, it will automatically calculate according to our selected number of days. Here is the status, currently it's available. Okay, we can also update its status, insurance detail, registration expiry, photo of registration, and we can save. And when we save this add card form, then a new car will be added in our form. In the cars section, the added car will be shown here. The next option is owners. In the left sidebar menu, when we click on owners, then here is the list of number of owners which are present in our system. To add any new owner, we will use that button to add a new owner. This is the simple form to add a new owner. First of all, we write its name, then CNIC, phone number, email, address, and a little note. Then we press the save button, and that owner will be added in the list. The next one option is customer section. In the left sidebar menu, when we choose customers, then here is the list of all the customers which we added in our system. Here is the add button. This will be used to add any new customer with some little details like name, phone number, Emirates ID or passport ID, CNIC pictures front or back, email, driving license number, its expiry, address, and note. When we press the save button, that customer will be added in our customers list. Here it will be shown in the list. Then the next section is booking section. In the booking section, all the bookings are shown here. We can add a new booking, or we can check out the status of the present bookings. Some are active, some are returned. Let's add a new booking. This new booking button will be used to add a new booking. First of all, we select a car which is available. Here is the status of the car, and here are the car names. We select the available car, then we select the customer, then agreement number we can manually type, and the rent type will be daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Here are the pickup and return dates. Currently it's selected for 1 day, but we can update it manually. In kilometer out, kilometer in means when the car will be returned, then how much kilometers it's used, it will be calculated here. We just type here the output, kilometer outputs and kilometer inputs. Here are the images. These are the optional, but you can add pickup photos, return photos, maximum 10, and each photo limit 10 MB. Here are the total rent. We can also add a discount reason, driver charges, delivery charges, fuel charges, and security deposit. Then here will be grand total. These are the fields are also optional, like damages, parking fines, traffic fines, tool fines, and these are the taxes. VAT tax means you should firstly need to add your VAT tax in the company profile. Then you can select the option from here. It will be automatically attached in the invoice. Then we press the create button and that booking will be created automatically and it will be shown in the list. All the bookings are showing in the list. The latest bookings will be shown at the top. In the booking section, when you click on any active booking, then you can generate its rental agreement, agreement PDF, invoice and invoice PDF. Also, you can record its payment from here. First of all, here is the rental agreement with that booking of the customer. Then the agreement PDF. Letterhead is shown under that agreement. You can check this out. The next is invoice. This is a booking invoice. You can check this out. And the next option is the invoice PDF. The letterhead which we already saved in your company profile will be used here in the background of this invoice. So we can also print this out. Then we can also record the payment from here. We can select the booking and we just need its amount and we can save its payment. In the left sidebar menu, the next option is payments. Here we will record all the booking payments, all charges. We can add payment fully or partially. We have both options. Like I select one booking. Here is the customer name, due balance. We can charge full payable, half payable or some of its amount. When we click on the save payment, it will be added in our records, in our payments, in our finance. Then the next option in the left sidebar menu is expenses. Here we will record all the cards expenses, all the office expenses, each and everything. Also the expenses like we give commission to the borrowed cards owners. We will also record that here. Here is the form of add expense. We will add a title of the expense and this is the scope like for car or office. If I select car, then their car will be available. Here is the type of the expense. Okay. Then the next is amount of expense paid by that person, name, or if you want to attach any attachment, then you can save and that expense will be added in our system. The next option is reports. We can visit all over the reports of our system. Here are the car reports. You can check this out, each of the graph. Also you can export in Excel and also you can print out. Then finance and SALIC reports means tools or tool taxes, all the fines, traffic fines, etc., parking fines, each report. Then border car reports. This is the financial statement of the company. Then booking reports, currently active booking reports. Agreement summary, agreement with customers summary, like I also can filter out agreements if I want to check previous agreements. Then this is the customer directory. You can open every customer profile and check out their previous history with our company. Then here is the expense report, here is the payment reports, here is the profit and loss reports, profit and loss by owners, profit and loss by cars. Here is the overall. Here is the owner reports, means you can open every owner and you can check out every owner report. Then here are the pending payments, means pending payments of the bookings. So these are all the sections of the reports. You can check every report by using filters, by using search, and you can export in Excel and you can also print it out. Then two sections are remaining. The first one is profile and password. You can update your profile, also you can update your password, company password. Then next one is company profile. Company profile is the main section where you will write your company name and then company address, then contact numbers. You can write out 3 optional contact numbers. You will write your email, company email, then you will select your company. When you select any country, then the currency in our project, in the invoices agreements, will be reflect according to the selected country. If you are a taxpayer, then you can write here your tax number. Here is the logo of your company. You also need to add 2 letterheads. The first one is it will be used for invoices of the bookings and the second one will be used for rental agreements. Okay, these are also important. You can add your company letterheads here. Then this is the starting number of the bookings. If it's your new software, then you just type here 0. Your bookings will start from 0, like 1 2 3 4. But if you already using any other software or you are doing your work manually, then you definitely need to write here the number of bookings you already done. Like I 65 bookings already done, now I need to write 66. Then you will use that number. Okay, here is the VAT invoice calculation. If you want to add the VAT in your invoice, then you will select in the booking form, but you can add here. The optional feature is in new booking form. Then next are the bank details. details, three bank details currently you can add. It will print in your invoice of the booking, and these bank details are optional. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can skip. This is the save company profile. When you edit your any detail of your company profile, then you definitely will press this save button to save your company profile. So this is the whole rental management system. For those who are doing their work already on manual on pages, just leave the paperwork and shift on it. Thank you.